Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Holding Currency over time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for a Titan stock. Titan is the ticker name. Uh, here you are watching the monthly technical chart of Titan along with a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, money flow, etc. And these are all the graphs generated by the technical indicators. These technical indicators I deployed on this particular chart on this particular stock to do the analysis. Okay, we have data here for this particular stock since 2010 onwards up to 2017 November 7th. If you see that, yeah, if you look at the price trend path pattern of the stock, see, the stock is making continuous highs since 2010. Actually, if you start from here, it is making continuous highs. See, if you draw a line which joins all the new high points, okay, all the new highs points, okay, then it will make a slope like this, right? A line that goes like this, and today it is trading at 753 rupees 80 pice, November 7th, and that is the highest price it has achieved so far. This is very good. Actually, this stock, this is one of those long term price rise happening stocks. This is this kind of stocks are very good for long term investment. Actually, there is no need to tell, even I don't have to tell you, even you can discover that, just by looking at the price path pattern, you can see that, every time it is making a new high, and after that a small consolidation phase, and again it is going up. So people who had invested here in 2010 at 215 rupees, today at after 7 years, they might have seen a hike of nearly 500 rupees per share. So that is the potential of this stock, and this stock is still rising. Okay, this is the monthly technical chart. So every candle stands for a month, and this is November 7th. This is November's candle. Okay, so far this is the price rise here, and this stock has started has gained somewhat around more than 100 rupees, more than 100 rupees. That's what I can see here in the last 7 days. So this is without even doing any analysis. I mean, you can just by sometimes, the price history of the stock itself tells us that, in the initial glance itself, you can say that this is the stock, which you can easily recommend for a long term investment like that. But anyway, we do the analysis here. Technical indicators, what sort of guiding point they are throwing at us. Okay, if you first we look at the moving average, this stock has recently crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the positive super trend influence. And if you look at the RSA is picking up, and it is making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, very good, which denotes the strength of the stock. And you look at the MACD, the signal line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging, and that is what we want. And look at the histogram bars. Histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline. Most of the bars are in green, good, and good in size also, very good. Look at the momentum. Momentum is playing on top of the baseline. Zero is the baseline, and momentum. The tip of the momentum is looking in the upward direction. Very good. Look at the ADX. The direction strength of the stock is rising. You look at the black line here. The direction strength of the stock is rising, and both the green line and red line are diverging here, which is creating a lot of space between those two lines, and space is directly proportional to the direction strength of the stock. And look at the money flow has already picked up. Okay, is playing on top of the 80 line and making a nice slope there. So this is what I mean. All points are good. All getting points are good, and even the stock, the trend of the stock is moving in the upward direction in a clear cut manner. It's very plain to see. I mean, it's very easy to understand. Every time it is making a new high, and it has been continuously making new highs for the past 7 to 8 years. Okay, this is what we want to see as an investor, and this is the kind of stock that we can recommend with the full confidence to other investors. And I, as part of after doing all this analysis, and after undergoing all this studying all these getting points of the technical indicators, I conclude that this particular stock is good for long term investment. If at all you have not invested so far, this is the right time to invest, because right now, today, one thing is there actually. If you had not invested in 2010, that is a different case. But right now, even after knowing all that, I mean, after identifying that a long-term trending stock, and still, if you don't invest, then it is a, I mean, you miss a lot. So the point is, here, 753. The stock right now is trading at 753, and I don't think any near-term consolidation. It may grow. The price may rise, further up before it goes for consolidation. It takes some more time for it to go to that sort to for the consolidation phase. So until then, even after the consolidation also, the if you look at the price path pattern, even after the consolidation, the stock rises. So during the during the phase of consolidation, the stock price may go down a little bit, but we need to take a look at this for this particular stock. We need to look the consolidation phase as an opportunity to buy more, because when the price goes down, we need to buy more this kind of stocks, and then we need to hold it. It's like, we need to go with the buy and hold strategy there during the consolidation phase. Then when the stock rises, when the stock starts rising up, then we will get benefited. So this is the strategy that we need to follow at a different phase of the stock. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for Titan. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.